Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trisha. I'm a stay-at-home wife and I post cleaning, organizing, lifestyle videos and sometimes I post vlogs too. Join me tonight in cleaning our house before we go to bed. I rarely clean the house at night and if you've been with me for the past few months, you know that I always say that I don't clean at night because I'd rather cuddle up in the couch with my husband and watch movies together. But tonight, I decided to clean the house so that by tomorrow I could enjoy the feeling of waking up with a clean house. Walk inside my mind and you will find true light. Before I start, I'm going to diffuse some citrus and thieves oil first to relax my mood and get me going at the same time. I hope you enjoy this video and if you haven't subscribed yet, then please make my day by subscribing to my channel. If I were you, I would smile in the dark with your colorful tears. Shoot me, tell me, murder me, try me. Show me how you break, babe. Maybe you should be harder. You're thinking that you're strong, babe. There's none of you way back. Listen to your inner mind and you will get the answer. Listen to your inner true light. I can see the time flame in your eyes. You can't force them to stand on your side. Well, goodbye. I know what is on your mind. You think you hit it well behind. You come at me with your knife, aiming my beautiful heart. Shoot me, tell me, murder me, try me. Show me how you break, babe. Maybe you should be harder. You're thinking that you're strong, babe. There's none of you way back. Listen to your inner mind and you will get the answer. Listen to your inner true light, true light, inner 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 true light. Show me how you break, babe. Maybe you should be harder. You're thinking that you're strong, babe. There's none of you way back. Listen to your inner mind and you will get the answer. Listen to your inner. I love the way she moves. This is how dirty the stove can be after a few days of not cleaning it. Like I've said, I don't clean and cook during weekends, so imagine my husband cooking in here with him, not even bothered by all the dirt in the stove. And you and I could stay in on a Saturday night. We don't gotta go out just to have a good time. All we need is take out in a bottle of wine. We don't need that much to have the time of our lives. You and me and 20 bucks. You and me and that's enough. We don't need that fancy stuff. You and me and that's enough. We got no worries, 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 worries. Oh, yeah. We got no worries, 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 worries. I love the way she looks, yeah. When she's curled up on the sofa on the landline,
talking to her sister about whatever, and she can't help but make me smile. Oh yeah. And you and I could stay in on a Saturday night. We don't gotta go out just to have a good time. All we need is takeout and a bottle of wine. We don't need that much to have the time of our life. You and me and 20 bucks, don't need you and me, and that's enough. That's enough for me. We don't need that fancy stuff. You and me, no. You and me, and that's enough. We got no worries, yeah.
I also don't wash the dishes at night and during weekends as well. You know, we have a very good dynamic in this house. It may seem that I always do the cleaning, but in reality, everyone is their fair share of household tasks. My husband is in charge in taking out the trash, and I don't have to wash dishes at night and during weekends too.
We got no worries. Oh, we got no worries.
Now I'm done washing most of the dishes, but I still have to soak this spatula because it has a burnt grease on it and it's really hard to remove. So while I'm waiting for it to soften, I'm going to vacuum the floor first. As you can see, I have accidentally spilled the sesame seeds on the floor and I'm kind of bummed about it. That's why I really need to clean tonight. The kitchen floor always gets a lot of dirt because of all the cooking. That's why I always have to vacuum it. We also shopped for some cleaning products today. We buy the Necessities brand of cleaning products at the warehouse and they're very cheap, ranging from $1 to $2. So for tonight, I'm just going to leave the box there. I'm just going to keep it tomorrow. My husband is the one who puts the rice in this container, by the way, but since I'm already cleaning tonight, I initiated doing this already.
This is the last room that I'll be cleaning tonight. Dennis is in the living room, so I decided to prepare the bedroom since we're about to sleep later.
I love the way she moves, yeah. When she's watering our garden with her headphones, singing off key Ariana through the window, and I can't help but hum along. Yeah. And you and I could stay in on a Saturday night. We don't gotta go out just to have a good time. All you need is take out in a bottle of wine. We don't need that much to have the time of our lives. You and me and $20. You and me and that's enough. We don't need that fancy stuff. You and me and that's enough. We got no worries, 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 worries. Oh, yeah. We got no worries, 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 worries. Worries. I love the way she looks, yeah. When she's curled up on the sofa on the landline, talking to her sister about whatever. She can't help but make me smile. Oh yeah. And you and I could stay in on a Saturday night. We don't gotta go out just to have a good time. All you need is take out in a bottle of wine. We don't need that much to have the time of our life. You and me and $20. Don't me. You and me and that's enough. That's enough for me. We don't need that fancy stuff. You and me and that's enough. We got no worries, 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 worries. Yeah. We got no worries, 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 worries. We got no worries, worries. We got no worries, 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 worries. We got no worries, we got no worries.
So that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys and see you in my next video.
Walk inside my mind and you will find true light. Through your eyes I catch deep fear and love. Why not? I won't try if I were you. I would cry if I were you. I would smile